Hey, what's going on guys? First Tech Up here. This is my unboxing and quick review of the Infinix Note 6. The Note 6 is a successor to the Note 5 that almost everyone loved, and this year it hasn't changed that much when it comes to design. So in this video I'm going to unbox it for you guys, give you my thoughts on it. But before I begin, please kindly hit on that subscribe button to join this awesome family and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss out on my future videos. So opening the box, reveal the smartphone on top with a label that houses basic information about the phone. Let's keep it aside first. Next is a warranty card. We've got an envelope that contains the SIM ejector tool, 2 user guide for the phone and the X Pen, some X Club leaflets and a film screen protector. Next is a transparent silicone case to help protect your device. A standard 5V charging brick with no word for fast charging. However, it supports X-Charge. I don't know if that means fast charge. A micro USB charging cable, and lastly the earpiece, and that's pretty much it inside the box. So back to the device, it feels very familiar. It looks almost like the Note 5 stylus apart from the camera positioning. It feels very solid and compact. At 7.7mm thin, it is thinner than last year Note 5. The build quality is very solid, just like last year Note 5 stylus. But when you look at the current design trend, it begins to look and feels outdated. It looks old, and to tell you the truth, nothing too excited about this design here. So if you care so much about design, I would advise you to look elsewhere. On the right side of the phone, we've got the power button that has a pattern on it with the yellow painting to help you quickly differentiate between the power button and the volume rocker keys that is located right next to it. On the left side, we've got the SIM slot that houses a dual nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the bottom, we've got the headphone jack, a microphone, a micro USB charging port, the speaker grill and the X Pen. Then on top, we've got nothing. At the back, we've got the 3 camera setup, the dual flash, fingerprint scanner, the Infinix branding and the Note branding at the lower part of the phone. In front is a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. Then on top of that display houses a 16-megapixel selfie camera with a single flash. So basically this time Infinix switched to AMOLED display on this device, and I'll tell you it is very sharp with deep blacks, much saturated colors, good viewing angles, good color accuracy, and it is bright outdoors. The Full HD Plus AMOLED display, which is a 1080 by 2160 resolution, is a step ahead on what we had last year on the Note 5. And according to Infinix, it has a contrast ratio of 100,000 to 1. And this claim might be true because it is very pleasing to consume media on. Colors just pop, and to sum it up, the display is quite good. On the spec sheet, the Infinix Note 6 has a MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core CPU that is clocked at 2.3 GHz, which is based on a 12nm processing platform, a 4GB of RAM, a 4000 mAh battery, 64 GB of internal storage, expandable via a micro SD card, and XOS 5.0 Cheetah on top of Android 9 Pie. With all of these, performance is okay. During the limited time I've spent with it, performance is very okay. I haven't really noticed any performance drops so far. Though I will continue testing and I'll give you my full report during my full review, so you make sure you subscribe to stay tuned for that. However, there's something still missing here. That smooth stock Android experience we had from last year Note 5 is gone. Don't get me wrong, the Note 6 is okay, but you definitely notice performance drop coming from last year Note 5, and the reasons for that is the preloaded XOS launcher on top of Android 9 Pie. It comes with too many bloatwares and unnecessary ads that cause performance drop most times. If the Note 6 had kept its stock Android nature, it would have been the best Note series ever from Infinix. So the Note series continues to improve on note takings and drawing capabilities year after year, and the Note 6 here is no different. The Note app has some minor improvement, and the X Pen latency has some minor improvement as well. X Pen also comes with a smart reminder that tells you to insert the pen back to avoid loss or battery drain. I really like that, that's nice. The Note 6 comes with the modern security features you find on today's smartphone, which is the fingerprint and face unlock, and they work very well. About the camera, the Note 6 comes with a triple camera at the back, which is a 16 megapixels main sensor with an f1.8 aperture, an 8 megapixels ultra wide sensor with 120-degree field of view, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. On the front side, we've got a 16 megapixel selfie shooter with AI support, and from what I've seen so far, the images from the rear and selfie camera are very okay. And here are some sample shots from the rear and selfie camera, so you tell me what you think about them in the comment section below. The Note 6 comes with a 4000 mAh battery, and judging from most recent Infinix devices that has the same battery capacity, you will never have any issue with the battery lasting for more than a full day. So now the question is, will I recommend the Note 6 for someone to buy? The answer is yes and no. Yes, in the sense that if drawing and taking down notes on a smartphone is your most priority, or you just want to get into the Note family and enjoy all the possibilities that comes with it, and without minding the aging design, then get one in a hurry. And it is a no if you already own the last year Note 5, because nothing much has changed apart from the display and minor improvement on the camera and the Note app. So that is it, guys. That's the Infinix Note 6 quick review. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. What are your best features so far? What do you like about it? Let's discuss in the comment section below. Like and share this video to help someone make a purchase decision. And please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.